What's up, guys? I'm trying to get back into YouTube's good graces, so that means uploading videos more frequently. And here I've got my hexacopter that's built out of carbon fiber and 3D printed parts that I pieced together from scratch, pretty much. It's got a PixHawk on it, and I'm working on, here, I'll just hold the camera around like this. This is a payload dropping mechanism that I'm working on. This is 3D printed, but the design that I found on Thingiverse was actually supposed to be used with an aluminum part. This green should be aluminum, but let's just test it out with 3D printing first. And to control it, I need an Arduino, at least to test it out with. So thankfully, my wife has a secret stash of Arduinos, and I just come over here. Looks like we're actually getting low. We only got 3 Arduino Unos left. Gotta get some more word. Anyway, make sure you subscribe because I'll be uploading this video in a couple days. I'm gonna be dropping some fun stuff from this drone, just testing it out. I don't know, maybe I'll drop some phones or crap like that just for fun. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.